Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about knob for Imperial part number 36330. The Imperial part number 36330 is a knob used for controlling the flow of air in a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) system. It is designed to be used with a variety of HVAC systems, including those with duct and non-duct systems. The knob is made from durable plastic and features a textured surface for easy gripping. It has an adjustable range of 0 to 10, allowing users to adjust the airflow as needed. The knob also features a locking mechanism to prevent accidental adjustments. This knob is ideal for use in commercial and residential HVAC. This part fixes the following symptoms. The symptoms that this knob fixes are difficulty turning the knob, loose knob, and knob not staying in place. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by locating the Imperial part number 36330 knob. 2. Place the knob onto the shaft of the device or appliance that it is intended for. 3. Secure the knob in place by tightening the set screws on either side of the knob with a screwdriver or Allen wrench, depending on what type of set screws are used. 4. Test to make sure that the knob is securely attached and that it turns freely without any resistance or binding. 5. If everything is working properly, your installation is complete. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.